In the ever-evolving world of kitchen essentials, finding a cookware piece that is versatile, eco-friendly, and designed to deliver top-notch results can feel like a daunting task. This GreenLife Arte 5.1 Quart 14-inch all-in-one multi-purpose deep skillet, a powerhouse addition to any kitchen. This skillet not only embodies functionality but also prioritizes health and sustainability, making it a must-have for modern home cooks. Whether you're frying, boiling, or sautéing, this skillet boasts an array of features that simplify cooking while ensuring your meals are as healthy as possible. But what sets this skillet apart from others in its category? Let's dive deep into the details to uncover why the GreenLife Arte skillet is quickly becoming a favorite among both amateur and professional chefs. Key features of the GreenLife Arte 5.1 Quart skillet. 1. Ceramic non-stick coating. Say goodbye to sticky messes and tedious scrubbing sessions. The ceramic non-stick coating ensures effortless food release and seamless cleaning. Derived from sand, this coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it one of the safest options for health-conscious cooks. 2. Induction-ready base. The skillet is designed to deliver uniform heat distribution across all cooktops, including induction, gas, electric, halogen, and ceramic. This versatility ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. 3. Eco-friendly design. Beyond its performance, this skillet is better for the planet. Its ceramic non-stick coating reduces CO2 emissions by 60% during the curing phase compared to traditional non-stick coatings. 4. Stay cool handles. The ergonomically designed handles remain cool to the touch, providing comfort and safety during cooking. 5. Durable glass lids. The tempered glass lids feature stay cool handles, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress while retaining heat and moisture. 6. Die-cast body construction. With a die-cast body, this skillet ensures durability and quick, even heating, eliminating hot spots that can ruin your recipes. Cooking versatility at its best. This skillet shines in its ability to handle multiple cooking tasks. Whether you're frying crispy chicken, boiling pasta, or preparing one-pan meals, the 5.1 quart capacity ensures ample space for all your culinary creations. The deep design prevents spills, while the non-stick surface makes flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables a breeze. Performance. What truly elevates the GreenLife Arte skillet is its consistent performance. The non-stick coating lives up to its promise, effortlessly releasing even sticky sauces and gooey cheese. The induction-compatible base ensures rapid heating, cutting down on cooking time. Whether you're simmering a stew or whipping up a stir-fry, the results are evenly cooked and flavorful. Cleaning made simple. Cleanup is often the most dreaded part of cooking, but this skillet makes it hassle-free. A quick wipe with a damp cloth or a run through the dishwasher and you're done. Unlike traditional pans, this skillet retains its non-stick properties even after repeated use. Health benefits. Cooking with the GreenLife Arte skillet not only enhances your culinary experience, but also promotes healthier eating. The toxin-free ceramic coating ensures that no harmful chemicals leach into your food, while the even heat distribution helps lock in nutrients. Why choose the GreenLife Arte skillet over others? When compared to competitors, the GreenLife Arte skillet stands out for its combination of safety, functionality, and sustainability. Many non-stick pans on the market contain harmful chemicals that can release toxins at high temperatures, but this skillet provides peace of mind with its eco-friendly, non-toxic construction. Additionally, its versatile compatibility with various cooktops and stylish graphite finish make it a beautiful and practical addition to any kitchen. Pros and cons. Pros: toxin-free, safe ceramic non-stick coating. Compatible with all cooktops including induction. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Reduces carbon footprint during production. Durable and stylish design. Cons: requires proper care to maintain non-stick performance. Not suitable for metal utensils. Final thoughts. This GreenLife Arte 5.1 Quart 4-inch all-in-one multi-purpose deep skillet is more than just cookware. It's an investment in your health and the environment. With its toxin-free design, versatility, and exceptional performance, this skillet delivers on every front. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, it's the perfect tool to elevate your cooking game. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, don't wait. This skillet is a game changer.